A bad man thing, yeah. Mount of people wake up in the place and nail up Jacob, wave up like when pirates sail out of your chest and tear out. Bomba.
Easy.
Oh no, play me DJ. I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm gonna shut that select boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me talk.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco, and I'm back with another hit, another smash, another bang. Y'all. What's good, y'all? What's good, my family? What's good, y'all? My friends, all y'all. You already know my supporters. I know y'all been wondering, yo, where Jambisco at? Yo, where you at? What's happening with the videos? You feel me? I haven't posted in like what? I'll say like a month and a half right now, guys. And I just want to apologize, you know. That I know I did not quit. I'm still here, you know. I just had to take care of a few stuff, just had to take care of a few stuff, make sure everything's all right, and sort some stuff else. But I do apologize, guys, for missing all that time. But I'm back. I'm in full effect. You know, we going hard. We're going straight to the top, guys. I just want to thank you guys for all y'all that have been showing support. You feel me? I love you guys. Y'all are the best. And if you're new to the channel, please go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on your post notification, because this is the latest reaction channel over here. This is the latest channel, period. I got a lot of stuff coming planned for the channel. A lot of coming in store, so please stay tuned. But yeah, I'm back in full effect with a new motherfucking video. Today I come with a new song from Skillibeng called Bad Man Thing. You see me? Come back in that place, I'm there on a bad man thing. You see me? I can take over this YouTube thing. I want to them. You don't know. Bad man, you see me? Like, yo, you don't know. So we'll check out Skillibeng Bad Man Things who are going, and you know, hopefully it's a shot. You don't know, so you don't know. If you're new to the channel, guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell. You feel me, for upcoming videos. You feel me? And just join the family, because this is the latest channel over here. You know, I don't know. The latest reaction channel. No doubt by a Jamaican or by anybody. No doubt. You feel me? So stay tuned. And returning viewers and subscribers, love you guys. You guys are the best. Thank you for always showing support, commenting. Thank you for keeping your post notification bells on. Just love you guys. You got the greatest, and we're gonna take this thing to the top. So without further ado, I'm gonna jump right now and try this Skillibeng new track called Bad Man Thing. Let's check it out. Yeah, let's see what it is. Let's get it. Go on, thing I started off like a movie already.
You say, top ranking, a bad man thing, yeah. Top ranking, yeah man, a bad man.
Yo, Skillibeng never pop out, disappointed. You know I was right to pick this song, never hear the song, you know, but me just have a feeling, say yo, it's gonna be the right track for come back with, you see me, the right video, you see me? Skillibeng, cause me start, you see me, he was the first artist me do on my channel, so he's on the right, you see me, yo, but look at man start off the track, dog. It was nice and smooth and us on some G shit, a bad man thing, bad pump buckley, top ranking. Pull it back up. Yeah, we take it from top. That's it.
Is it? Top ranking, a bad man thing, yeah. Top ranking, yeah man, a bad man thing, yeah. Top ranking, a bad man thing, yeah. Top ranking, yeah man, a bad man thing, yeah. What make your black flick? I pump rifle a one crank thing. Like pregnant girl, my pint and spit. Here people.
Oh, bomb clap, I'm make you, when you say okay black flick and the blood clot, buckle. Once you like pregnant girl so the Glock speak. Pump.
The ball, what you cry says. Mach 90. Yeah. 8K shot pinted. And a knife when shot a slice and peel. Yeah, I lock down like Chinese.
And a knife when shot a slice and peel. Yeah, I lock down like Chinese. Easy, no?
Pan clip, pan chopstick. You will vanish. Or go pan fridge to the airport.
Was a pan clip, pan chopstick. You will vanish like.
Let's say tomorrow go, in a fear po. Maybe bomb your house, I'm a Bin Laden. I'm not chatting, mullah with the mini key, turn them in a garbage. And Mr. Chigga play, on a ramping, shook them in a grave, me not put them in a bandage.
When me say trigger play on a ramping, push them in a, put them in a grave and a bandage.
He said, top ranking, a bad man thing, yeah. Top ranking, yeah man, a bad man thing, yeah. Top ranking, a bad man thing, yeah. Top ranking, yeah man, a bad man thing, yeah. Mount of people wake up when the place and nail up Jacob wave up like when pirates sail out of your chest and tear out. Bomb.
Easy, brother. Expect that a blood cloud that come from Skillibeng. Come on, brother, pull that up, brother. You can't have a quarter of way them thing there.
A bad man thing, yeah. Top ranking, yeah man, a bad man thing, yeah. Mount of people wake up when the place and nail up Jacob wave up like when pirates sail out of your chest and tear out. Bumbuckler. Bet you when the rain done not clear up everywhere. I fuck up like when Jada shake up. No fear no way, no circumference of fucking radio. Send the way me straight go and me alone and me and be a gun.
Bumbuckler. No feel no way. Anyway, that's any circumference. Anyway, me straight go and me alone and me and be a gun. Bumbuckler. Hey, Skilly! If you watch this, brother, make you go out, so dog. Make you go out up and chat them. Calm down.
Tell them about the fuego flame, my blaze to clear the way. If you know why your brain and up a jerk and kick a surge and fail you. Chopstick.
Yeah, man, say yo, wait, if you know why your brain and up a jerk and kick a surge.
You will vanish, or go pan fridge to the airport. Let's say tomorrow go, in a fear po. Maybe bomb your house, I'm a Bin Laden. I'm not chatting, mullah with the mini key, turn them in a garbage. And Mr. Chigga play, on a ramping, shook.
Buckle up, yo. Uno fit. The brother Skillibeng. I really miss a universe, them man and the brain on the earth, brother. Them man and the brain on the planet, your blood clot, easy.
Them in a grave, me not put them in a bandage. He said, top ranking, a bad man thing, yeah. Top ranking, yeah man, a bad man thing, yeah. Top ranking, a bad man thing, yeah. Top ranking, yeah man, a bad man thing, yeah. What make your black flick? I pump rifle a one crank thing. Like pregnant girl, my pint and spit. Hear people a ball, what you cry says. Mach 90, yeah. 8K shot pinted. And a knife when shot a slice and peel. Yeah, I lock down like Chinese.
Clot, skinny, bang! Blood clot, God salute the man. And a knife when shot a what? Slice and peel. Bumbo clock, yeah, lock down like Chinese. To them. Yo guys, don't know that's another dope track from Skillibeng. You see me, I'm inside the one. But yeah, that's a new track from Skillibeng inside the bad man thing. Definitely go and check it out and show the artist some love. Making us a Jambisco senior. You see me, that song definitely is a vibe. You see me definitely has a buzz to it. You see me I say? Yeah man, really dope track from Skillibeng. Go check it out. Show the artist some love, making us a Jambisco senior. You see me, the latest reaction channel on YouTube, period. You see me, you don't know the reaction lord, reaction king. You see me, the reaction, hey! Don't know, say yo, just Go show the artists I'm going to touch at Jambisco, so you stay tuned. We don't know back with the bangers them and the hits them. Stay tuned. My vlog channels coming up. I got vlogs coming, gaming channel coming. Just stay tuned. Real dope stuff over here, guys. And thank you for your love and support. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. And I was here then I hit and I smash and I banger. And until next time, guys, stay safe. Love you guys. And I'm out.